I wanted to share what I did there while you could still see it, so I pulled the actuator back out. Okay, so the new actuator is around the corner. So every point, if I have found some little tip or trick that's going to help, I'm going to try to share it, because this really isn't that hard. It's just it takes a little bit of strength, a little bit of patience, a little bit of time. So what I did in this case, and hopefully you can catch it well on the video, is I slid the door forward so I could hold it with one hand. I brace it with my knee because I'm sitting on the ground, and then I was able to apply cross pressure and inward pressure to get the actuator bent around the window guide, and it came around. The things that want to hang up is there's a plastic plate on the bottom of the actuator. It wants to catch on this corner. Make sure to press down on that a little bit so it'll get in and around, and it will come around this corner. It's just not easy. So it's around the corner now, and it's sitting in the kind of lower position. So all I need to do is just walk it forward and walk it up. So in this lower position where I can still see it from above, this is the point where I'm going to get the door pin. I'm going to get the door pin reinstalled, and I'm going to get it hooked. I'm going to get it hooked in the actuator. So as I slide this up, the door pin is the thing that needs to definitely be in first, so it can slide up into this hole. Then I can slide the actuator up, and I can put one or all three of the bolts in to hold it into place, and then hook the rest of the hooks on it and get the plugs plugged in.